How to refill an HP304 black cartridge. Take out the label. You'll have access to the refill hole. Fill your syringe with ink. Fill the cartridge with ink. If ink starts to come out of the hole, it means the chamber is full and that you have to stop the refill at once. Fill it carefully. Don't hesitate to get back the excess of ink with your syringe if you need to. Put back the label. If it doesn't stick anymore, use a piece of adhesive tape of the same size. Stick it on the exact spot where the label used to be. Be careful not to cover any of the holes with the tape. Hold the cartridge for about 30 seconds in order to check if there is some excess of ink dripping from the printhead. Go back and use the syringe to take away the excess amount of liquid by passing through the refill hole. Apply the printhead on a piece of tissue paper. You should see a streak of ink appear. You will have to try a couple of times before the streak appears. Apply firmly on the tissue paper. If nothing appears, you will have to dip the cartridge's printhead, and on the printhead it will come full of special solvent. Let the cartridge rest for 4 or 5 hours and that's it.